Hey guys, so we were given a bunch of these bell peppers and I can't use them up in time, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them away. I'm gonna show you how I use my Foodsaver vacuum sealer machine to store food. And in this case it's bell peppers that I have a whole bunch of extra. And I don't want them to go bad and have to throw them out. So this is one way to not waste your food and also to save your money, not have it go to waste either. So I just started out by washing the bell peppers and drying them. I let them air dry actually. And now I'm just going to slice them into slices. If you want to dice them, you could go ahead and dice them also. Or if you have any good shaped ones, you could cut them in half and freeze them like that. So I'm going to go ahead and chop all of these up and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is how much of the bell peppers we got. I sliced them into slices and there was a couple of them that are okay for, what do you call it, like stuffed peppers. So I saved those like that in case we use them for that kind of a recipe. And if not, we could just always slice them once they're frozen, or once I take them out, once I'm ready to use them. And now I'm just going to place them onto the baking sheet. I'm just going to spread them out on here. Oops. We'll do all of them. Try to put them in a single layer, but if not, that's fine. So I'll put those, and then I'll put these also. I'm going to place these also in the freezer so they could freeze up a little bit, and then once they're done, we'll take them out and we'll food save them. Okay friends, welcome back. We got the bell peppers all frozen. So now we're gonna go ahead and food save them. So to do that, we're gonna open our food saver. We have this short roll of bags right here. Let's go ahead and seal this first end. I'm gonna put it here over the sealing mechanism. Close it. Put this little handle on, operate, and then we're going to press the seal button. And you'll see the light blinking. Once it stops blinking, it's done sealing. Okay, it stopped already, so it's done. Let's go ahead and turn this handle back to open. Open this up. And the bag is sealed from the bottom. Now let's go ahead and we're gonna we'll put 2, how many is there? 2, 4, 6. We'll put 2 in most of them and 3 in the other. So let's go ahead and let's cut this first one here. We slide that over. That's to cut the bag. Now let's go ahead and place 2 of these bell peppers, about the same size. That way, you know, everybody could have an equal portion. And then we'll place it in here. The open side we place in here. Put the lid down. Turn the handle to operate. And this time we're going to vacuum. So the mode is on dry still because it's dry. And let's vacuum that up. it's sealing. Once it gets done vacuuming, it's sealing, and after it seals, it'll stop, and then we could open it up again. Okay. Okay, nice and sealed. Let's do some more. Let's seal this bag again now. Okay, we got these ones done. Now let's go ahead and get the sliced bell pepper out of the freezer. Okay, here they are, all frozen. I left them for about about 3 hours. But if you want, you can leave them longer. I just want to get this done. But let's go ahead and cut some bags from here. Fill them with maybe a handful of peppers, and seal them. Probably 2 handfuls. 2 handfuls looks good. Let's go ahead and seal this. Oops. It's sealing. Okay, it's done sealing. And here we have it, some bell peppers, vacuum sealed. Let's continue with the rest. Okay, so here I have my bell peppers, the sliced ones, and then the whole half ones, the ones that are in half. And even though they're sliced or half, I could always dice them if I want to, whenever I'm gonna make anything, or just leave them like this for fajitas, or you know, whatever you want to make. But this is how I save money, by saving the food before it goes bad, and then just, you know, throwing it out. That's how I live frugally. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video useful in one way or another, and thank you for watching. I hope you come back again next time.